Hello, how can I help you?
I'm planning to travel. Can you tell me some great places to visit?
Indonesia, United States, Australia. The ticket is being printed. Please wait. Ladies and gentlemen, passengers, please open the window shade. Passengers, please turn off your electronic device. Fastening your seatbelt can keep you safe. Passengers, please fasten your seatbelt. Cabin check is complete.
Please tap on the start button. Push the throttle. Slide the wheel to fly. The plane took off successfully. We're on our way.
Passengers, we will arrive in Indonesia shortly.
I would like to go sea fishing. There are so many fish here. Let's start fishing. The fish is on the hook. Tap to reel in. There are fish around here. Go toss the bait in. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. The fish is on the hook. Tap to reel in. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. The fish is on the hook. Tap to reel in. Let's make a pot of fish soup with the fish we caught. Let's enjoy the fish soup together.
Passengers, the meal service is now...
like the food! Time to equip the magical item!
Passengers, we will arrive in the United States shortly.
Let's go and play a football match! We have to change into our football uniform before going to the match. Wear a helmet to protect our head!
The football match is about to start. Players, please get ready.
Don't let them steal the ball. Pass it to a teammate now.
Passengers, we're passing through turbulence. Please take care. Please find all the safety hazards in the cabin. Passengers, we're passing through turbulence. Please remain seated. The safety check is complete, and you did a great job. Passengers, we will arrive in Australia shortly.
Let's go to the opera house and enjoy some amazing music. We're rehearsing for today's performance. Can you help us? Connect all the notes and I'll be able to sing a beautiful song. Da, 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 la, 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 la. Wow! You've got an amazing voice!
Next, the koala will be practicing the French horn.
Catch the bubbles with the French horn to make sounds. La 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 la. It's so interesting.
And lastly, we have the kangaroo dance. Practice is over. Let's begin the show. Thank you for traveling on the baby bus flight, and we look forward to seeing you again.
Goodbye! There are so many fun things to do. Which one